just a little video. It's a little bit different because I'm behind the camera. Got a ST225 here. His customer's come back with saying he's got a bit of vibration, so just giving it a quick road test. And straight away we can tell that the whole car's shaking, and we're going to diagnose it as drive shafts. So yeah, just could take it around the block, see what it does. I mean, if you look at the steering wheel, look at my hands on the steering wheel, and you can feel it through all the seats, floor. So yeah, I'm gonna take it back to the garage, change it for genuine drive shafts, not the other options that are out there, and give it another drive, and hopefully it'll cure the fault.
Hi guys, just continuation of what you just done, Timmy.
Yep.
Out road testing this one, yeah?
Yep.
So this is the a returning customer with his ST225 in electric orange, as you can see, Timmy. Yeah.
Very bright.
So Timmy's took it out for a road test to diagnose, which is what we do before we touch any of the vehicles that come in, just to get a take on it from what we think, and then go from there. So it's been out road testing with Alan, just to give you guys an idea of what he was experiencing behind the wheel with transmission vibration. So this is what it's coming for. All right, we know it's dry shafts, all right, but we just wanted to share the experience with you about how we do it. All right, so we've sort of like experienced that. Now it's come onto the lift, up in the air, and now we'll show you sort of like what we found. Hang on a minute. What's going on?
I'm not saying nothing. Got a spanner in your hand.
How unusual. Never seen that man with a spanner in his hand. There we are. I can put a socket in my hand if you want as well. Or maybe there's a screwdriver hanging around. Well, hang on. The most important thing to put in my hand. Yeah?
Yeah.
There's lots of things I can put on my hand. Yeah?
That's it.
Right, on to more important matters. Right, so dry shafts, all right? So you can clearly see somebody has, looks as if they've replaced the offside inner CV gaiter, yeah? And they've used a cable tie to secure it there, which is, that's fine if it's secure in it, but that's just gently rocking that there, look. You can see.
I just need to grab a light
right,
there, mate. Just so I can see it.
Flash them on there, mate. Yeah?
Yeah.
Right, you can clearly see, look. Previously, I would say that previously, yeah, that inner CV gaiter has been leaking, dumping grease, as you can see, just right onto the subframe. All right, so without even touching it, look, you see the inner joint moving on the bearing?
Yeah.
All right, the outer ones, maybe it's been changed at some stage, but yeah, anyway. So now if I can emphasise that by grabbing all that, look at that. And look at that inner CV joint jumping around, look. Yeah?
Yeah.
Now, shouldn't be doing that to me, should it?
Nope.
No, so that's the driver's side. All right, so we move on to the passenger side. There you go. All right, so that's inner CV boot on that side's deteriorated, it's a bit gone. All right, so you know there's a bit of. So, you know, you've got to play on both sides really, but most of it is that offside inner, as you can clearly see. So what we'll be doing now, guys, is we'll take you through the process of changing the dry shafts, and we'll show you, as you guys know, that we've said it time and time again, use genuine OE dry shafts, all right, from Ford. If you use anything else, I mean, there's lots of different ones out there, but if it's not a genuine OE one, it ain't gonna work, basically. All right, so we've done it, we tried it just to prove a point, and we fit a set of aftermarket dry shafts. I won't name which make they were. Put them in, and it was worse than the worn ones that were on it, and that's saying something, isn't it? So, but what we'll do is we'll continue this as we go, and catch up soon. Hi guys, right, so as we said before, we were talking about dry shafts. We are now into, let's say, wheels are all off. The centre up nuts all undone. Oh, it's actually a bolt. Alan,
It is.
I'm going to correct myself there before somebody else does. Right, so it's a bolt. Right, they're all off. We've cracked them out with regards to breaking the seals on the inner CV joint to the gearbox. As you can see, right side one's coming out now, which is the longer one of the two, as you can see. And then what Timmy will do is he'll place that down over the next to the OE Ford one that we're going to be changing it with. We'll talk about that in a sec. And then over to the passenger side, which is the shorter one. Okay, so out that one there comes. You can see the end of it looks a bit rusty, so that's, you can always tell by looking at them sort of time they've been in there, or if they're originals or any of that sort of stuff. And
It's a little bit tight.
bit of trouble there, Timmy. You're obviously strong enough hands now, is he?
That's it.
Going to now require a bit of assistance, is he?
Over here.
From the. Oh.
A few moments later.
No, it's
Bit
definitely
tricky that one, isn't he, Timmy?
A few inches later.
here.
Yeah.
2 hours later. 1 eternity later.
While he's doing that, Mark, should we go and
Bear with us, viewers.
should we go make a cup of tea?
Go and watch a bit of YouTube.
Yeah.
We're waiting for buddy boy here. Oh, here
Oh,
we go.
I
See?
missed that.
Took his time, look. Nice and gently does it. Yeah, and they're out. All right. Obviously, we've already drained the gearbox oil, which is in there. All right. Let's talk to you about what we replace it with in a sec. So, this way, Alan, and we'll explain to you what's what. Right. So, as we said before, with the dry shafts, we pointed out that that one there is the near side, so we pointed out that that's the one that's leaking to me, isn't it?
That's one that's
On the
leaking.
inside, and it's the inside inner boot. Yeah, there we go. Look, so you can clearly see that, guys. Loads of play in the bearings on them, and then we go to the offside, which again, this is one we talked about, where it's got a cable tie on there and a cable tie on there. So they've been changed and messed around with that at some stage. That one's hanging. The driver's side is hanging. You know, you put it over and you can rock it up and down. I think it's one of the worst we've seen, Timmy, isn't it?
Yeah.
Not good, is it? So, as we said, so we've got two genuine dry shafts from Ford. Okay, we'll use any other, as we stated before. All right, they come with the new bolts. Always change them as well, and we fit the Castro Syntrans 75 fully synthetic oil. That's what we put in them, because that's what's recommended. All right, so there we are. So that's that phase done of it. So what we'll do, we'll carry this on with Timmy installing the new dry shafts until completion. And then what we'll do then is we'll do another road test. We'll do another road test video of that as we're doing it, and give you the results. But we know what's going to happen. It's going to cure the problem, and we're going to have an ST225 which drives without the car shaking itself to pieces. Is that right?
That's correct.
I think if you carried longer, one of your teeth would have been falling out, wouldn't they? That bad, wasn't it?
Yeah.
It was actually.
That's it, yeah. Alright. Probably his more than yours, because he's got a few falsies, hasn't he? Yeah, hasn't he? So they would have been on the floor, mate, wouldn't they? Hey? Right, hey, you know what it's like, guys, we'll do a little bit of banter here, don't we? Yeah.
We do.
So, yeah, we'll come back soon. Right, guys, just on here. Now, he's supposed to be fitting that, aren't he?
Yes.
Not messing around pretending that he's in the gym.
Well, I thought we'd be back.
Right, so
Bunch of plans.
near side dry shafts all in, guys. All right, we've just put in the securing bolt at the end, bolt, not nut. Yeah, so that's ready to go. That's all in there. Timmy is just fitting the offside dry shaft now. It's a little bit different on this, a lot longer. Just locating it into the gearbox, and then he'll centralise it on the mounting bracket. All right, into the hub, and then we'll get it all buttoned up and fill him up with the correct oil up, as we showed you over there previously. Bottom ball joints to be done up. Okay, now as I've said before in other videos that we've done, as you can see there, that we all have our own colour marker. In this instant, Timmy's is pink. So we mark everything, so when the hub bolts are done up, that'll be marked. We'll see all torqued up with the correct torque setting. Same with the bottom ball joint nuts. Nut this time, not a bolt. Alright, again, that'll all be marked. So that the reason is for that is if it's not marked up with your colour, well, not your colour, his colour, because he's doing it, yeah?
That's correct.
Then but it would be your colour if you was doing it up, yeah?
Well, yeah.
Or mine if I was doing it up anyway. Yeah, this is getting a bit confusing, isn't it? So let's get back to the. But anyway, so when it's done up in mark, I know it's tight, and the person who's doing it, or who's done it, knows it's tight. Alright, no problems then, is it? So that's it. So Timmy's just got this side to build up, and then we'll come back to you and let you know when it's all done. I mean, I could talk you through about exactly what he's doing, but it's pretty straightforward, to be honest. It's not.
You are right, it is a Ford. It's pretty straightforward.
Timmy's just finishing off now, so like I said, it's not that difficult to do. So it's just the bolts on the hubs, the nuts on the ball joints, the shafts, obviously getting them into the gearbox, and as you can see, look, Timmy now, like, it's just, I'm not going to open because I want to struggle. And, there we go, just flick that one in there, Timmy. Yeah. I mean, obviously, guys, it makes it a lot easier when you've got, you know, the proper lifting equipment, the proper tools to do it. You know, just 1 second, sir. Just wait, you have to be moving in there, centralised movement over to me. There we go. See that? Oh, he's the boss, he's got to do this.
Oh no.
The boss that. What is it, Al?
It's a tool.
But what have I never got in my hand?
A tool.
There we go. So I just thought I'd just do a little bit of assistance here. A little bit of dirt on my hand, so I better wipe that off immediately. You know, I'm going to give the wrong impression when I'm dealing with customers, do I? Hey.
No.
So that's it. We'll leave Timmy to it. I don't think you want to be seeing him, you know, because like I say, guys, all you got to do is that bottom ball joint to be done up, that bottom ball joint to be done up, marked up, centre hub nuts to the correct torque done up, gearbox oil, wheels on, road test out, yeah? And then what we'll do then is we'll come back after, well, we'll video it on the road test, because you twos are going out to do that afterwards, yeah?
Wheezes.
And then we'll share that with you guys, and that's it. So very, very straightforward, simple fix, guys.
Just a little update. So Martin has explained that we've done all the dry shafts, done all the gearbox oil, just gone back on road test now, and the vibration is completely gone. Wouldn't you agree, Al?
Yep.
Yeah. You know, under throttle, it's all gone, no vibrations at all. So there you go. Genuine dry shafts will solve the problem.
Right, guys. Last part of the instalment for the ST225, which, as we said before, came in for vibration through the front, through the car, steering, through everywhere. And it's dry shafts, which we knew that straight away. But we just wanted to share it with you, just giving you a bit of a overview of what we talked about. So we had the car up on the this lift, all right. And now you come back from road test, it's on this lift. All right, so we've just done our post checks, up in the air, check for the leaks, making sure everything's all good. Just let the car back down again. Just got the feedback back from Timmy and Al. They went out and done a quick video, which will be on there as well for you to see. And yeah, so we've replaced the dry shafts, and I'll let you explain to me, to the viewers, what have you experienced on the post road test as opposed to the first one? Yeah,
It's completely transformed the car.
yeah,
Completely gone, the vibration.
yeah. So
Completely gone.
therefore concludes that by putting in genuine dry shafts, yeah, problem solved. As always, guys and girls, all right? So by all means, you can fit other ones if you want, at a fraction of the cost, but it'll be vibrating down the road, all right? So you won't really achieve anything. In actual fact, as we just mentioned earlier on, you can actually make it worse, believe it or not, all right? So that's it. So check it out and see what you think from what the feedback from yourself and Alan, who's hiding around the corner because he's a bit camera shy and video shy. Is that right? Oh,
That's correct.
yeah. Well, he done the video, didn't he? So that's okay.
Yeah.
But yeah, so we'll end it there, guys. So with the ST225s, we do quite a few of these. So if you got problems that this one had, many of them do, with regards to vibration, dry shafts, etc., then please give us a call. You can email us or go on social media and message us and all that sort of stuff. Or give us a call, pop in and see us, whatever. All right, and then yeah, we can look after you and solve the problem. That's it. So usual thing, guys: like, subscribe, comments down below, hit that bell notification button, and like I say, it's just me this time. All right, I'll know you're here. So me and Alan's hiding around the corner. No Psycho Sanders. All right, so completely thumbs up this time. Yeah. All right. So comments down below.